Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok login issues. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok login issues or logout issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about TikTok and you will find it here in this window. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye in another video.